Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Request of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Smart Collections Plus. Discover the charm of traditional jewelry with our latest video featuring exquisite Kundan necklace design ideas. From regal bridal set to elegant, lightweight options, those timeless designs are perfect for weddings, festives, and occasions, or adding a touch of luxury to any outfit. Explore intricate craftsmanship, vibrant stone, and dazzling patterns that showcase the rich heritage of Kundan jewelry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jewelry inspirations and fashion tips. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.